Okay guys, today's lesson is pretty much the same thing as yesterday's lesson, but the only thing different is instead of every number being divisible by 2, it looks like, if you notice here we have a -2. So whenever you have a negative number in front, you kind of want to get rid of that. So whatever the front number is, check to see if everything's divisible by -2. And everything is, so divide by -2, divide by -2, divide by -2, divide by -2, and then you get, this becomes x squared, right? Oh, don't forget to put the -2 in front. And then this becomes -6x. And then -16 divided by -2 is +8. Equals 0. Okay, now just bring down the -2, you don't need it, and then let's factor this. What makes +6 that adds up to what makes +8 that adds up to -6 is -4 and -2. Okay, -4 plus -2, or -4 minus 2 is -6, which is the middle number. So your factors are going to be x minus 4, x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so here are my factors. My factors are -2 is parentheses x minus 4 and x minus 2. Right, so we have to do the last part is solve. So we got to split everything apart. Once again, if there's just a number, you just leave it blank. This one's the opposite, so it's going to be x equals +4, and then x equals +2. Okay, let's try one more again. If you notice that this time everything's divisible by that front number, -3. Yep, it's 21 and -30. So we're going to divide it by -3, divided by -3, divided by -3, divided by -3, and then this becomes x squared. Alright, put the -3 in the front. This becomes +21 divided by -3 is -7x. -30 divided by -3 is +10. And that equals 0. And then again, we gotta see what makes 10 adds up to -7 is -5 and -2. So we're gonna have -3 in the front, and this is gonna be x minus 5, x minus 2 equals 0. And then find your solutions. Oh, there's gonna be x equals +5, x equals +2. Okay, so that should work. All right. So if you guys have any questions, come to us during the chat room at 11 to 12, right? Thanks.